Hello, in this video we will discuss about random number generation. So these are the topics that we will cover in this video. First about random numbers, then where the random numbers are used, then the role of random numbers in the computer, and we have the role of random numbers in the simulation and the role of simulation in the computer, and then we have Meta-heuristic random number generator. This is the method that we are using here to generate the random numbers. In the upcoming slides we will see that how we can generate the random numbers using Meta-heuristic method. So first is the use of random numbers in the different fields. Here you can see the random numbers are used in science, arts, statistics, gaming, gambling, and in cryptography. In cryptography, we use random numbers to generate the public and the private keys for the user. And in gaming, we use random number to predict the user activities. And in gambling, in the modeling and simulation, we before discuss about a method that is a Monte Carlo method, which is based on gambling, where we discuss about the random numbers. And the next one is the role of simulation in the computer. As the simulation word describe something which is not real, using this simulation and modeling we are creating a virtual world which doesn't exist in reality. Using this we are trying to solve the real life problems safely. For example, we can train our airplane pilots safely without putting them into the risk using computer simulation. And we can also use the 2D and 3D models for the more accurate results and safety risk measures. Next is computer simulation. This is the process of mathematical models which is performed on a computer, and using this we can predict the behavior or the outcome of the real world system. Next, this is the role of random number in the simulation. We basically used these numbers to solve the real complex real world systems problems like this. Now just talk about this method. So this is a method that is mid-square random number generator. Here mid is middle, square, random. It is a method of generating pseudo-random numbers. What is pseudo-random number? We will discuss in the next slide. So using this method we are generating pseudo-random numbers. Mid-square method is invented by John von Neumann, and in practice it is not a good method because we found some infinite loops and the cycles when we start generating random numbers. Let's see how. Okay, first we will discuss what is pseudo-random numbers. Pseudo-random numbers are used in computer applications, games, security, and in computer security you can see this is used in the encryption algorithm, that is for the security of the user in the form of keys, that is the public and the private keys. Let's see next. Okay, this is the example of mid-square method. This is the simple algorithm. We need a number. We will start with a number that is 4-digit long. Then we will secure this number. Then after securing the 4-digit number, we will check whether it is 8-digit long or it is 7-digit long. If your number is 8-digit long, then we will remove the 2 lower and the 2 higher digits. If it is a 7-digit long, then we will remove 1 lower and 2 higher digits. And then we will repeat this method or this algorithm from the step 2, that is from securing it, until we will get the desired random numbers. So what is this method? This is simple method. Take a seed. What is seed? We will discuss in the next slide. Take a seed, say that is your seed is the 4-digit number, that is 4-digit long. Secure it, extract the higher and the lower digits, then we will get a middle 4-digit number that will become your next seed. Here you can see this the example. We take a 4-digit number, this is 5673. This is called seed. This 4-digit number is called here seed. What is seed? This is a number or a value which is generated via software using one or more values. Just the value or a number that is generated by your softwares using 2 or more values. So let's start this method. We used here 4-digit number. After that we will square this number. After squaring this number we get this value here. Next is we will check whether it is 8-digit long or it is 7-digit long. This is 8-digit number. Now we will remove the 2 lower and the 2 higher order digits. Here we remove the digits. You can see here 2 higher and the 2 lower digits. After that we will get the next seed number here in the middle 4 digits, that is 1829. This is the next seed number. Now we will again repeat this algorithm until we get the desired random numbers. In this example we are going to generate the 5 random numbers. So next we take the next seed, square this seed, and you get the number. Check whether it is 7 or 8 digit. I think this is 7 digit long. Here it's a mistake. It's a 7-digit number. Then remove 1 lower from this side and the 2 higher from this side, and you get the next seed number here. Again repeat this process until you get the desired number. So we generated here 5 random numbers. This is same for the all. Next we have a question for you. You will generate the random numbers for this seed 2500. Here while you will start generating the random numbers for this seed, you will face some cycles or the loops. And what is this cycles and loops? The path from a seed to a cycle, it can be long, it depends upon your seed, but sometimes that is not too much long. So let's see what kind of loops or the cycles we are talking about. Okay, suppose we have a seed that is 50. When you will square this number you will get this, and just remove the digits, you get the middle number is here 50. This is a loop we created here. So I was talking about loops like this. While you will solve this example you will face some loops or the cycles. Next example is take a seed that is 60, square it, you will get this number, and again this is a cycle. That's all for today. In this video just we talk about a method how we can generate the random numbers. For example, in this method, using this middle square method, we generated our 5 different random numbers. That's all in this video. If you have any question, please comment below, and thanks for watching this video.